Students, I am going to start with exercise 7th B, okay, of the indices. So what is the important concept is here? Look at this point. A to the power x is equal to a to the power y means if the bases are same, here the bases are a and they are attached with the equal sign, then the power will be equal. Okay, so here if you see here a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, bases are same, then x is equal to y. So bases are same attached with the equal sign, then power will be equal, means x is equal to 5. So all the questions of this exercise is based on this concept. So you have to try the how can you make the bases same. Okay, and important points to remember here is a to the power x is equal to a to the power y means same basis and single one, means if it is a single one, a is here and a is here. And second point is make a smallest value or according to the both sides of equal sign. So what is the meaning of this one? I will explain you into the question when I will solve it. See the first question. First question is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, so what we will try here is in the right hand side this is 8 and this is 2. A small means here the in both the side of equal sign, base is 2, here base is 8. So it will be easy for us to make the 8 as a 2. So it can be written as a 2 to the power 3. So what I want to say you here, make a smallest value. Smallest means in these two bases 2 is the smaller one. So try to make 8 will become the smaller one. How it will become? 2 to the power 3. See, 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So bases are same. Again apply this concept. Then the power will be equal. Power is 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. So try to make the same bases. 2x plus 1 3. 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, 2x is equal to 3 minus 1, and in this way we can solve the question. The concept is, again I am telling you, make the bases same both side of the equal sign, and some points I have written over here, so you have to go through that and you have to keep these things in your mind. The question will be easy. Now see question number 2, third part. Root 3 upon 5 is equal to root 3 upon 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 125 upon 27. So according to me, as I told you, this is 3 upon 5. You have to make it as a 3 upon 5. It is 125 upon 27. So first 3 upon 5 to the power x plus 1 upon 2, because this is the square root, it means 1 upon 2. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 3 to the power 3. Now the question is, here is 3 upon 5 and here is 5 upon 3. So you have learned already a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n, or a to the power n is equal to 1 upon a to the power minus n. So 3 upon 5 to the power x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3, because how it becomes? See, 5 upon 3 is equal to 3, 5 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3, and if it will go numerator and numerator will go in denominator, so the power sign will be changed. So this way it has become 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3. So x, now the power is same, bases are same, see here, then the power will be equal. So in this way x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 3, and you can find out the value of x easily. In the same way here question number 5 is 4 to the power 2m is equal to root 8. So it is 4, it is 8. So 2 to 4 can be written as a 2 to the power 2 to the power 2m, and it can be written in such a way. If you see bases are 2, how the bases both side will become 2, according to that you can do. Okay, in the same way second part, this question can be done similarly as you did the previous one. See here, okay, this one. Okay, now see. Now question number 14, sixth part. In such types of question, see 9 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 720 plus 9. If anything in expression part, please note it here, always it will become the single one. What is the meaning of this one which I am saying? means it will go here. When it will go here, 9 to the power x plus 2 minus 9 to the power x is equal to 720. 9 to the power x means this is 9 to the power x, this is 9 to the power x into 9 to the power 2, then it becomes 9 to the power x plus 2 minus 9 to the power x is equal to 720. 9 to the power x will be taken as a common, so it will be 9 square here and it is minus 1. 720, 9 to the power x into 80 is equal to 720. 9 to the power x is equal to 720 upon 80. 9, now see, bases are same, then the power will be equal. So in such a way you can do the questions. Means important point is, what is important point? Important point is you have to keep in mind, if the bases are same, they are attached with the equal sign, then the power will be equal. So some important point I have written over here, you have to keep in mind, and what is its interpretation I explain you into the questions. So do according to that one, and I am sending you some solved question. You go through that one. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay.